Hello binary traders. I hope you are doing well and your trading journey is going great. Today I'm analyzing the US dollar to Japanese yen pair. Watch the full video to understand the setup and market direction. If you like my trading ideas and want to learn more simple and powerful strategies, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for your support. Chart increasing. Here, the price has reached the red line, which is a strong resistance area. There is an 80% chance that the market may reverse from this level. However, we should still wait for proper confirmation, such as rejection candles or a bearish pattern, before entering a trade. Let's watch the price action carefully and wait for confirmation. It's a doji candle at the resistance level. We placed a down, sell, trade. My entry is a little lower, but I'm confident about the setup and hoping for a win. A doji candle at resistance means the buyers tried to break the level but failed. It shows indecision in the market and weakness from the buyers. When a doji forms at a strong resistance area, it often signals that the price may reverse downward. Now let's wait and see how the market reacts. It's a win! Now we are looking for a bullish entry. We will wait for confirmation from the trend lines. We take trades inside the trendline area and especially when the trendline breaks, because 80 to 85% of the time the market reverses from that zone and buyers step in. We are also watching the market momentum carefully before placing a buy trade. In the beginning, trading seems hard. But when you understand market behavior and psychology, the market becomes much easier. You just need discipline and confidence in your strategy. Practice on a demo account first and build your experience. If you have any questions, comment below. Now we are ready. The market has reached our entry level and we have taken a call option, buy trade. Remember, you must stay disciplined and calm while trading. It doesn't matter if the chart moves fast or slow, or if it's the last candle to trade. What matters is your setup and your strategy. If you clearly see your setup, follow it with proper risk management and money management. In trading, only discipline and money management can protect you in the long run. Revenge trading and emotional decisions can destroy you and your capital. Stay patient. Stay focused. Trade smart. It's a win again. We took 2 more minutes for the call option because the market looked strong and ready to move up again from the doji level. There was weak support, but it had enough power to change the market direction. This was our third live trade, explained step by step, and all trades were wins. In trading, you must be ready for every moment and understand market behavior in real time. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video. Take care and trade smart.